Hi friends, thank you so much for joining me today for another video. So today I figured we're gonna have some fun on this channel today. I mean, after all, you know, we have fun here, right? So today I'm gonna do a 5-minute makeup challenge. I have not done this before. I don't think I've ever done my makeup in 5 minutes, like a full face of makeup. So I'm very curious to see if I'm gonna just epically fail or if I'm gonna turn out alright. I just want to jump right on ahead, so if you want to see me be under super duper hard pressure, come out with a full face of glam makeup in 5 minutes, then keep on watching. Before I get too carried away, I do want to introduce myself. If you are new here, my name is Jane, and I am so glad that you found me somehow. I do hope that we can become good friends, and with that, let's jump right on ahead to this crazy 5-minute makeup challenge. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna set a timer on my phone for 5 minutes, and we'll see if I can just create a look, you know? As long as I'm not coming out looking like it, then I think that would be a success, because I'm the slowest makeup applicator on earth. So why don't we just go ahead and get started. Here we go. I'm gonna set the timer. Hold up. I gotta make sure I have all my stuff kind of laid out and planned out. I don't have everything planned out, but alright, I'm gonna start the timer for 5 minutes, and here we go! Oh dear, okay, already I gotta get started. Why don't I start with my brows? That's a good idea. Okay, alright. Brows, I'm just gonna roughly fill it in. Oh my gosh, this is already like harder than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, maybe I should have used powder, but okay, I can't be too picky with it, you know? Can't be too precise. It's already turning out to be a little disastrous. You know what? That's just gonna have to be. That's just gonna have to be good enough. Yeah, no, I can't make it perfect. Alright, let's just move on to, I'm gonna use a skin tint. Is that cheating? I don't really think it is. It's easy to blend out. But it's not like that much easier than foundation. Just put this all over my face. If you're at all curious, I will list all the products that I'm using today in the description. Just take a brush and buff it out. Holy crap, where did 2 minutes go already? I need to hurry. Oh my god, this is hurting the perfectionist inside of me. Like real bad. Okay, this is gonna have to be good enough. Powder my face real quick. I'm gonna just skip concealer, man. It ain't worth it. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do, hurry up and do my eyes. I'm gonna just use this cream shadow. Just go straight in with it. Oh god. Alright. So messy. Okay, can't blend forever. Keep going. Let's line my eyes. If my eyeliner can salvage the situation. might be okay. Oh my gosh. I don't have much time. Okay, now I'll have to do. Okay, let's just go on to the lips. And then let's just apply a bit of bronzer. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Oh my god, I have a minute left. Oh my gosh. Just curl my lashes. I think I have time for mascara actually. And I have freaking 36 seconds left. Oh dear. Maybe I don't know what to do anymore. 20 seconds. Mascara, just real quick. Oh, 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, you guys. So. This was a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. I don't know why I thought that, because it usually takes me at least like 5 to 10 minutes just to do my brows. You know, I am not a speedy makeup applicator or makeup person, but I did manage to do somewhat of a full face. I mean, I forgot to bronze my forehead. I did a little bit of bronzing on the cheekbones. I did get the winged eyeliner though. It's not perfect, but I did get the wing. And you know, getting your wings perfect is like probably one of the most time-consuming parts of your makeup application. Of course, I did manage to add a lip product. I did add a face product, some eye product. It's super messy and I would never go out like this. But I still have some mascara on. Not much because I didn't get to build it up at all. But, I don't know. I guess it's not horrible. You know, like, it's not going to induce nightmares. You know what I'm saying? So, I guess this is my 5-minute makeup. Wow, I feel like at the end, I just didn't know what to do. I was like, what else am I gonna do? I'm just gonna skip it. You know, whatever I'm about to do, I'm just gonna skip it and just save myself that anxiety. But, yeah, it was still kind of fun to do it, and I'm glad I did it because I've always wanted to do a 5-minute makeup challenge and just see how I would be able to deal with that pressure, but it seems like it wasn't that bad. I definitely think it helped that I use easier products like a skin tint and, you know, glossy lips and all that jazz. I definitely think I should have gone with like a brow powder to make it easier, but otherwise I feel like it's not like a disaster. It's not great. It's obviously not my best work, but it was still a lot of fun to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this challenge and just seeing me panic in this time crunch of 5 minutes and trying to do a full face of makeup. Obviously this isn't very glam, so is that a fail? I don't know. But in any case, I do have makeup on my face. That's a win, right? Anyways, I really did enjoy doing this fun challenge, and I hope that you guys were able to get a laugh out of it or two. And with that, I will see you guys next week, and thank you guys so much as always for all your encouragement, loving, and kind words. I really appreciate you guys, and you guys are just like the best friends ever. So I'm really excited to see you guys next week, and with that, I love you guys. Bye! Mwah.